honestly, I want to see a comeback. I swear to God, if I say the word comeback anymore, my viewers will kill me. That's how much. That's how many times I say comeback in every time I cast. I'm like, come back. I'm like, come back. Road to kill. Okay, yeah, I think it's a comeback. Okay, I did not say comeback, but I think it's comeback time. Comeback time. Comeback time. Hold up. Now we're just going to spectate these guys because we gave those guys dark too much of screen time. iFrog Whitey, bhai. Wow, okay, nice nickname, nice name right there. iFrog Whitey. This guy's iFrog Whitey with the AS Val, playmaker. Frog, matlab, how do you say frog in Hindi? How do you say frog in Hindi, dude? Damn it. How the hell do you say frog in Hindi? I don't remember. Oh, kill him, shoot him. He's low. Yes, there, he's there. Yay, that's what I was talking about. Yeah, I think it's time for that comeback. Oh, no. They were 3-3 and Dumbash gets that guy, and now it's a 2 versus 3 situation. And no, that's not good, man. We want zombie fighters to make the comeback. Oh yeah. Menduck, yes, there we go. The guy's name is legitly iFrog Whitey. Menduck. I am duck. Oh, there's a guy right behind you. Look behind you, Captain. He's right there. Armory. Oh, Maria. Kill him, dude. He's right there. Yeah. Throw it. Okay, fine. That's decent. One guy should be. Yeah. That's good. Don't leave the head glitch. You don't need to strafe when you're on the head glitch. You dumbass. Just sit on the head glitch. This is another mistake that I see people making. When you're on the head glitch, you don't need to move left and right. No. Just sit straight. You're already on a head glitch. This is a bad habit, Chad, okay? Remember, I'm telling you. It's a very bad habit. When you're on a head glitch, you don't need to strafe. Especially when the guy is in front of you, because there are chances that your body will move out of the head glitch. See what I'm talking about? I didn't even finish saying it. See what I'm talking about? This is a bad habit. Just you don't need to move that ass left right when you're on a head glitch. You do that in a normal situation when your entire body is exposed, so that he will miss. But it's okay. It is what it is. Let's go, Dabash. Oh, this guy's hip. What the? Huh? That's just a spectator's glitch, but it seems like 1 round to go for dark and 5 rounds to go for. He should play time. Dude, the positioning was perfect. That guy was on a head glitch. One guy was in the trailer. Bomb was planted on the other side. It was just perfect. Actually, the guy inside the trailer should have been outside watching A-Long. But but the guy who was there. You don't strafe when you're on a head glitch. Like basic. The bomb has been planted at A. I don't know what these guys are going to do. Yeah, this guy's dead. That guy's on a car head glitch. Denny GG. Blood money. See that guy's playing it. Time. Don't open the map. Why would you open the map? See, now this guy has no way to penetrate into that. 4 guys there, a 1v4 situation. If he goes inside the trailer, dead. If he goes A-Long, dead. Because there's if he goes through this way, dead. Because the head glitcher is there. This is just basic. Just kill yourself, Denny. It's the best choice you got right now. If he goes in trailer, dead. My phone died out. Alright. Pepe, you do know RPD is kinda meta right now. Of course it's meta. Why do you think I'm using it, dude? RPD is of course meta. It's got like recoil is, especially when you play on an iPad, trust me, recoil control is so easy. You don't even need to do anything. Like nothing at all. Oh, there's a guy right there. Don't push it. If you're pushing, push together. Not one by one. Alright, iFrog Whitey gets somebody right there. We have Peacekeeper. Okay. I remember when the Peacekeeper came out, I did a whole video just with Peacekeeper gameplay and I put it up on the YouTube channel. But BR, not MP. Because back then I used to just do BR. Dude, there is no way you're controlling recoil cross-mapping with a Peacekeeper like that. Mercy, what's up? Welcome back. I have RPD Orbit. Nice. Also, whoever you guys just like the stream, we're trying to reach at least 50 likes today. PTW player, yes. Bhai, kuch kar. No. He tried, but he couldn't. Oh, okay. This guy was distracting them at A, whereas the bomb went off to B to get the be planted. But I think this guy is going for the what do you say? Flank. Yeah, he's going for the flank. Oh man, he might actually get one. And there's another guy. Oh, reload. Dude, the guy's right behind you. He just died right there. Do you guys not listen? No callouts or what? No callouts? It's gonna be like behind me, behind me, behind me. And this guy is looking this direction. Come on. You don't expect that at this level. Well, at least he got him now. But what happened to the callouts, dude? The guy was right behind him. And he's looking that direction. But theek hai, chalega. Chalenga. Alright. We have a little bit of a comeback situation. I don't know to what extent ZFYTR can pull this back, but yeah, I know. I don't know what happened there either, man. That just looked a little bit suspicious to me too. I think his mic is not working. 50 would have been a piece of cake. Then make it to 100 like yesterday. That guy's legit climbing the tower. These are the teams that should participate. Oh yeah, they're doing good. Anybody from Zombie Fighter in the chat? Anybody? I wanna know. And anybody from Dark in the chat? Oh, Dark. Storm. There's a guy in front of me. iFrog. No. 4v1. Okay, this round goes in favor of Z Fighter as well. And 5-7 right now. Do you think they'll be able to make that comeback? Maybe in the side switch is going to be very difficult for Zombie Fighter to pick a point. Hey Isha, how you do?
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Isha back here.
Defend the objectives.
Defend the objectives. Pulkit sir, big fan. Zombie Fighters, haha. Yeah. I mean, they're Z Fighters. I don't know what Z stands for, and they smoked up. But why they smoked up almost outside the map? But it's okay.
Contact with enemy.
Look who decided to show up. She will have to leave. She's outside shopping. Bade log. Gucci, Prada. Hey, that Gucci look on you, you dead boy. Oh my god. Oh, the Frog is having a little bit of connectivity issues. His network is jumping here and there a little bit. But this round will go in favor of Frog's team as well, which is Zombie Fighter. Oh, nice movement there, but even then he loses it. But he buys himself time because this guy is now on a healing level. So 2v2 right now. Yeah, they're gonna win the round. Z Fighters will definitely win this round. And then hold up. Yash Pawar. Oh, Mira. What the hell? How do you lose that?
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
How do you go from 4-2 to losing the round? What in the world was that? Well, they lost the round, okay? Forget it. Let's head into the next match, of course. That was a pretty weird match that we spectated, but it's okay. They're all really good teams, of course. Minotaur versus HM Nightmares. That was a big nightmare. I'm talking about the team that was going to come in. But yeah, how bored are you outside watching videos? She's just here to support. Krishang Javalkar. Balenciaga. Yes, sir. Balenciaga is a little too out of the reach, but okay, fine. Chalenga.
It's a draw. Stand down.
Dubmash doing well, 12 kills. iFrog, oh, I like him, 13 kills. I don't understand how they lost that round from a 4-2 to. I don't know, man. But that's okay. Heading into the next match, of course. Next match is at 6:35. I think we have time to chill out a little bit. Listen, Pulkit Bro,